Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drawer roller in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drawer roller. There are 3 pairs of drawer rollers used in this refrigerator. Each pair supports its own drawer, allowing it to slide in and out. If one or more of the drawers won't easily glide, check the drawer roller and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To replace the drawer roller, we need to pull out the drawer first. Pull it out, lift it up, and we can remove it. Alright, let's bring this drawer on the table, and we're going to replace this roller. To remove the roller, we need to squeeze this pin. I'm using needle nose pliers, and I'm going to push it out through the hole. And the roller will be ours right there. This is the old drawer roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to drop in a new roller, and we're going to place that shaft in, push it in so it will lock. Now we're going to place the drawer back into the fridge. And now we're going to slide in the drawer. Put it on the rails and push it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.